Hey guys, it's Carrie from Garden Rudiments. I'm out here in I'm gonna call it my Sempervivum garden. I don't remember what I called it in the other video, but I've got a lot of sedum. I have a lot of semps, a lot of hens and chicks. And if you watch the other video, you'll remember how many plants I had in here, and the sedum was planted in mats. It's all different kinds, and it has grown. I have to keep pulling it back away from the hens and chicks just because it kind of wants to smother them out. And it's a globular something. I keep saying I'm gonna put the name of this bush here. It takes 10 years for it to reach full size. It only grows about an inch a year, and it will be about 3 by 3 foot. I love this plant. I would have more of it. But let me show you my hens and chicks. So somebody had asked me, where are the names of these hens and chicks? Well, they didn't come with names when I got them. They were all in a bucket, a very, very small bucket. Babies and mamas were piled in there so thick you couldn't tell how many were there. It seemed like there were 30 plants by the time I dug them out. There was a bunch of them. But they're scattered in here, and these were all mature hens and chicks, and every one of them has put on new babies. Can you see all the babies? And I come through and pull out weeds. There's another baby right there. Okay, from here on back, now there is a label that is Pelosium hens and chicks. And you can see Mama's got all her chicks around her. And another one right there, same name, and they've done really well. Coming around, you can see more kind of hidden in there. And the plants have gotten really big. See how big Mama is there? She's actually pretty big. She's almost as big as my hand. And you can see some babies in there. We go around and you see the other sedum. And then we come to this corner. So this is up against the brick. I've got one small plant that's still living there. And this was a Sempervivum Hagum Red. Sempervivum Hagum Red. And then I had another one that was called Rockno. I ordered these at the same time, and I think I got them from Mountain Crest Gardens. So that one has lived, but I have lost several plants, and you can see those are dead. Got some more little ones here, and then I've got one, that big one there, it looks like it's been eaten on. And some small ones in there, and then more dead ones. I'm not sure exactly why those haven't lived. I have a planter here, and it was pulled more in front of that, so I'm afraid that the sun didn't get to it. Then we had all the rain, and then maybe it stayed too damp in there. But I'm telling you, if you had seen the conditions of the plants that came in that bucket, they were standing in water. So in the middle of winter, they weren't rotted. And I really can't imagine that those got rotted. And you know, I don't really water this corner per se. I just throw a little water at it, just so that it gets damp. And it is a little bit protected from the rain that we get, but it does get enough water. Just don't know what's happened in that corner. I'm afraid it's just they didn't get enough sun maybe, and that they didn't get dried out. But anyway, it's really looking good. I'm very happy with it. And remember, this is going to stay here all winter. I'm not going to dig these up, not going to take them in, and they'll just keep multiplying. They'll go dormant, but I think they'll be fine. And this should just be a lush carpet of Sempervivum and sedum. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a quick update on this corner. And I hope you'll watch the next video, and please hit that like and subscribe button. See you next time.